Creating your own herbal lip balm is not only a fun DIY project, but also a way to ensure your lips receive the natural care they deserve. Start with a base of beeswax for a sturdy texture, combined with nourishing oils like coconut or almond oil. These moisturizers lock in hydration and create a barrier against environmental elements. Infuse your oils with herbs like calendula or chamomile, which are known for their soothing properties. To infuse, simply combine your chosen herbs with your oil in a jar and let it sit in a warm spot for a week. Once infused, strain out the herbs and mix the oil with the beeswax in a double boiler until melted. For added benefits, consider incorporating essential oils like peppermint for freshness or lavender for its calming effects. Once everything is blended, pour the mixture into small containers and let it cool and solidify. The result? A personalized lip balm that nurtures your lips, free from synthetic ingredients. Using this herbal balm regularly can help heal chapped lips while providing essential moisture. Make it a part of your daily routine and enjoy soft, healthy lips all year round. Your lips will thank you for it.